Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will be rebuilding my own PC just for fun, and the parts I'm using is this ASUS ROG STRIX B450F motherboard, which has a 120GB M.2 SATA SSD for boot drive and a Intel 660p 1TB NVMe SSD. And my CPU is this Ryzen 7 1700, and they pair this Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, 16 gigs, and this Palit GeForce RTX 2080 Super GameRock Edition. And this DeepCool Gamerstorm Castle 240 RGB AIO to cool our CPU. And this Corsair RM750X 750 watt power supply. And a Toshiba P300 3TB 7200 RPM hard drive for mass storage. We'll be using 6 of these Corsair LL120 RGB fans. And the case is this Lian PC 011 Dynamic.